Okay, a little trade recap for today, August 20th. So overall, obviously bearish, just even coming into the day, um, looking at the trend, we're bearish. Yeah, lower time frames, we got NWAG or new week opening gap. You can usually tell your daily bias just off that. But yeah, that's when you go lower. 1 hour, we had a FVG pushing us down somewhere. I think it's this one right here. Let's check. Yeah, so we had this right here. Boom. Right, so obviously in the morning, what, like around here, obviously bearish. Daily profile was bullish, but everything else, the general trend, all the confluences, higher time frame, PD arrays are all pointing to a bearish open. And then yeah, just going on lower time frames, we had London below as well, which has solidified that bearish bias, and then two sell sides. So this one that's already been swept, and then this one that is 100% going to get swept in the next minute or two. But yeah, so there was only one trade for me today. I didn't take it because I woke up really late. I didn't even log into my fundeds. Today I was just on paper. Um, and I did not see this until a little after because I hopped on way after this happened. But if you go on the 5 minute, uh, yeah, so here's the 1 hour. I'll get rid of this real quick because it's a bit confusing. Okay, so here's the 1 hour, this gap right here. Obviously, we see price. London gets into it. London highs have a reaction off of it. All right, that's just a good sign that we're going to keep moving down. Boom, we get the liquidity sweep. We come down, a little manipulation leg. Boom, sweep liquidity there. This isn't my model, but there is an IVG here. Comes down. Definitely can take this. Definitely would have hit. Yeah. And then my model right here, we tap into the inverse. I'll come down, inverse another one. This would be like kind of a B plus setup for me. Because obviously the higher time frame PD array that I'm looking price to retract into, I don't really want it to be an inverse. It'd be a lot better if it was a CISD or like an order block or something. Which, I mean, I guess I could lie to myself and say that there's like an order block right here. But, I mean, which there is, but it's just not really the best one. And then yeah, inverse here, enter down here on this candle, stop loss up here. So something like this. Enter here. And then probably hold down to London, either full TP London, or what I would do is exit 80-90% of my position here, and then probably just hold all the way till this first sell side. So if we go on the 30 minute, yeah, so we have this low, that low. I don't know about this one. Obviously, it's gonna get hit now, but like up here, this one's a bit whack because like yeah, I just don't like it. It's just this whole fat ass leg. This okay, and end of story. This is just better sell side to target. Yeah, probably scale out of my position 80-90%, and then just leave like maybe 1 micro, 2 micros to run down to here. That would have been pretty nice. The runners would be a 7R. Yeah, 7R, and then the actual trade would have been a 1-to-1. Almost, but that was the only trade that I could find today. Everything else, I mean, I wouldn't take or I didn't like. But yeah, I didn't end up placing any trades today. Again, because I woke up late. I probably, what the fuck did I do? Okay. Probably won't end up placing any trades for the rest of the week until next week. But yeah, thank you for watching. Appreciate it, and I will see you tomorrow.